Ẹ káàbọ̀ sórí ìkànnì wa, ẹ farabalẹ̀ fún àdáda fídíò tó ń ṣó lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ wa. A máa play fún ẹ̀wọ̀ ẹni ló jáde tán tó tú ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àṣírí, àwọn àṣírí àgbọ́yanu, àwọn àṣírí tó ẹgbẹ́ tẹ̀ ń gbọ́ bá gbọ́ àlẹ́ máa ṣe. Ẹ wo láì fọ̀pá pọ̀lọpọ̀lọ péjọ láì fọ àkókò ṣòfò. Fídíò wọn alẹ́ tá máa play fún yín gẹ́gẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ náà tí mo tó bá gbìgbà àkọ́kọ́ rẹ̀ tẹ̀ ń darapọ̀ mọ́ kọ́ ni ẹ bá subscribe kẹ́ like comment kẹ́ share. Ẹ lè máa jẹ́ àǹfààní content nígbàkúgbà lóòrèkóòrè tá bá fi lé ta, ẹ lè máa fi ṣọgbọ́n ìmọ̀ àti òye. Gẹ́gẹ́ mi sọ pé fídíò wọn alẹ́ tá máa play fún ẹ wo fídíò náà rèé, ẹ ká sojú abẹ́ ń kó.
The one with the big post that dated Pasuma, Abi what's her name? That one that I've forgotten all their name. Flaky, see me doing my breast like this. Is it Dido Abi something? You remember her husband, Abi her boyfriend, to denied pregnancy. No, nurses, no, nurses. It may be inner talk. I'm talking about prominently. They talk about air hostess, anybody dating musician, and all these people that are actresses. They talk it. The Africans in Africa, nurses, no. It's just like saying doctors are bad. No, it's not really as bad. Air hostess, those ones, they talk that they are positive. Newscasters, they talk about it. You are you are musician, or you come and now be a dancer behind musician. That one is even worse. You dancer. That Bongo Sikwe, Mariam Babangida, she was a dancer behind big Bongo Sikwe. Do you know how ashamed this person was about it, Babangida, because he loved that lady so much? You know that they kpai that boy. You know that they kpai that boy. Oh, hey, people don't know the story. Hey, well, don't say you heard it from me. Can't ask allegedly. No, don't just say that. Come here, I didn't see you with my eyes. They talk, say, and you know me. I schooled in Benue State, where Bongo Sikwe is from. During the return of Babangida, they show Bongo Sikwe. They showed him Shege Bansa Barao. Go and ask that one. That one, at least Babangida is alive, I know. They showed him Shege Bansa Barao. Eh? Because, you know, he wanted to start doing, I want to see my son. I shaking it. What did they beat him? They restricted him to his. Is he even alive? Is that Bongo Sikwe? Baba can't check history. Don't tell them that I told you. Just go and read history yourself and go to Babangida there. He's still confessing. Go and meet him. Share more not his story. Don't tell them that it's from my mouth to hear it too. Ronke, Adebayo, thank you. She's the one. Thank you, Biola. Did you see her husband denying that beautiful girl? Is the problem in Nigeria. So with what she wrote here, it shows there's something, because the beginning of the story is still alive. Wow! Thank God, though. Oh, may God allow him to bang Babangida showed that guy, yo. Babangida showed that guy. Babangida, because the wife used to dance behind that man. He couldn't born for that man that time. Babangida, jealous husband. You didn't see? Babangida should go and learn from Ibrahim. Chatta, although it's too late now. Miriam Tilosonu now. Should go and learn from Ibrahim Chatta and the baby mama, the ex-wife. Did you see how the boy? That thing I can't do it too. Let me wait first. Let's put Biola aside first. Biola, I'm coming. Did you people see Ibrahim Chatta and Biola? And that's his former wife, his former baby mama that had a son for him. You know her now? That tall Ogomushi. That girl that is now, she's now married to another guy now that she has given birth, like, that is based in America. They were at the premiere. Let me show you people. Biola, I'm coming. Let me show you people. Biola, I'm coming. See. Don't say I showed you people.
Ṣé rántí pé Ibrahim Chatta ló kọ́kọ́ bímọ fún? ẹ máa wò wọ́n àwọn mẹ́tẹ̀ẹ̀ta ọkọ tẹ́lẹ̀ àtọkọ ti sìn àtòun fún ara ẹ̀ ṣé maturity ní ká pélé ni àbí ká sọ pé bọ̀bọ̀ yẹn kò mọ nǹkan tó ń ṣe ó tún ná Ibrahim Chatta lówó ṣé Ibrahim Chatta dá sí Yínká Solomon tẹ́lẹ̀ ló kọ sílẹ̀ ni ṣé èèyàn dáadáa ni ló ṣe kọ sílẹ̀ ni àbí kí ni wọ́n máa sọ pé wọ́n torí ẹ̀ wọ́n ná lówó ọkọ ti tẹ́lẹ̀ àti wọ ilé ìtúngà ẹ máa wọkọ tẹ́lẹ̀ àtọkọ ti sìn yín lọ́hàn gara wọn ìyẹn ọkùnrin ẹ wá kẹ́kọ̀ọ́ o maturity ilé ìtún yàtọ̀ o mi ò ríro eléyìí rí o ọkọ ti tẹ́lẹ̀ àtọkọ ti sìn yín ẹ máa bọ́ ṣe hàn gara wọn ẹ wò ìyàwó rèé o ilé ìtúngà o ẹ máa bọ̀bọ̀ yìí ó kó àmúmọ́ra maturity ṣé ó dá sí ẹ ló kọ sílẹ̀ ni ṣé Ibrahim Chatta ó jẹ́yàn dáadáa ló kọ sílẹ̀.
Wait, Biola, wait, mo rí èèmọ̀ lágége. My husband can't do it. Èmi náà mi ò lè ṣe o. Ara mi ń gbóná, mo lára gbígbóná. Mi ò lè ṣe. Nítorí tèmi bá gbà kó ṣe fún èmi, kémi gbà kí n jẹ lọ báyìí. If I agree that me as the woman, okay, my husband and my ex, my baby father, they should do. Okay, so he too now he will do it, and we have to agree. I can't agree. I can never do it. Look at my eyes. She will go in me. Don't tell them to feel on me. Me like you. Maturity is son on. I don't have that maturity. My maturity I not reach that. Emma feel on me. Don't be angry towards me. I don't care if Yínká Solomon, Ibrahim Chatta and her husband, they like it, their bloody business. Then my husband will now hug my baby father. Abikile man pe àwọn bàbá tẹ́ abímọ fún yín baby father. They will now hug each other. My husband will spray my baby. I notice if he happen. My baby father, my husband can't do it. Arab mama gbono. We can't do it. I don't understand that thing. That thing is strange. They now hug. Hey, what do I hug? Then after the two men hug, she don't born for that girl. She get loco. She don't born for this man. You understand? She don't leave this man. She can't born for this one. Don't born like 3 or 2 at Abi. Now she can't born for that one. They can't meet for premiere. The man can't they spray her. The American guy can't they spray the Ibrahim Chatta. Hey, to me it's not normal. I can't do it. Well, the maturity, I don't want it in my life, because if it happens now that I agree, my husband go to spray my baby father. Thank God my husband too has baby mother. You understand? Yeah. So me too, I have to agree. Do you understand? I can't hug anybody. Me, look at my face. I can't hug anybody. Yeah, if they were cordial from the other, I'm sorry, Yínká tí ò bá di o, ẹgbẹ̀lẹ́ má bínú. Mi ò kọ́ yín ní nǹkan tí ò dá o. Anike Damo, you know I'm not teaching you people. I'm talking for myself. Don't come and say, Yeye Kudi said it's not normal. No, I didn't say it's, for me, it is not normal for me. And I know, if it happens like that, I will be scared. Me ṣe máa ronú ọ̀dà. Mo weird gan. Mo máa think funny gan. Mo máa think ahead. Bro, me mama calculate. My body go there. Then when the girl won't go, you understand? The man not even look back. You know, the baby recent husband now, the husband, he don't look back. We just they go in. You understand? What man here to hug? If my husband sit down for video. My husband will be say, my husband will be, I And if it is me, if it is me now that is happening, as in, if my husband is the one hugging, do you understand? We go see that again. They go bring back in yam, in potato, ati awon la kure igbe ti wo ko wa. They go re-dialogue with my family. Wallahi, like some of the liars, hugging. And I mean, mama, go on ishi. I can't even act mature. There, I can't be mature though. Me mature kokon. Forget it. Emma ro pe root aboko ko ni me like gbogbo nonsense by I don't. Maturity is that we can meet in gathering. Don't get me wrong, go. We can meet in gathering. We can meet in gathering. They can greet. Hello, hi. Like, and the greeting should not be, my husband will not be spraying him. Or if it is the woman now, I will not be spraying the woman. You understand? You get me? Then she will not turn to my husband. They will not be talking. That's the baby mama. They will not be talking. Then they will hug. Then me to hug me. Wallahi, I don't want it. If you like, call me jealousy. If you like, call me. I have zero tolerance to bullshit. That one to me, it is bullshit. I'm not against them. Oh. If your husband is the type that does it like that, make do it like that. So maturity on another level in you people's family. Let it stay in your family. It cannot work like that. Do you know there's a saying in Yoruba? Not a saying, it's just I think it's a philosophy that once debe is forever debe. Do you know that the way they hug each other, chemistry can ignite? Ibrahim Chatta still look like he still look the way hey. Emma Bino, I can't. If they agree for me to do it like that, okay, it's your business. But me, I can't agree for my husband. If my husband agrees that okay, that's the way he can take it, it's mature enough, it's okay. But me, I'm not mature enough, and I can never mature. Me, mature. If you people like abuse me, I don't like it. I didn't enjoy it. I watch it. I say, maturity on another level, okay. Because it's happening to somebody else, it's not me. Okay, yeah, you get plenty children here. Yeah, what if your daughter said you because I mean, God, with me. Why are you asking me? If it's my daughter's wedding too, it doesn't mean that my husband will not start spraying the father of my daughter. Do you understand? More so. What is their own to be spraying each other, to be hugging each other? What's their own? What is their own? What is their own? There's nothing like maturity in that aspect. Let everybody, the way Yabo they did the wedding of Prissy, is that not, that's one, I agree with it. That's maturity. That is maturity. Okay, let's, what is Yabo's, Polo now? Let Polo now come and start spraying. Anyway, what you Jerry Baba Prissy. Baba Prissy ojú ẹ̀ dàbí ẹni tó wà ní military zone. Polo gan tó bẹ́ẹ̀. Ojú tí Baba Prissy bá fi wò. Baba Prissy tá pé nínú sunshade àárín tí. Yeah, you are taking it, you change it. Baba Prissy. Mo ti Jerry ẹ̀ let Polo kí Polo ti ṣe máa ṣe bí big boy kó máa ṣe pé àwa àmúlé ayé le àwa mature. Mo Jerry Baba Prissy máa walk away from Baba Prissy tó wá náwó fún ìyá ọlọ́mọ gan tó ojú imú báyìí ló fi náwó. A tún bínú pé Baba Prissy calm down. To be sincere, I think that's good enough. The maturity there is Baba Prissy came there with his wife. Yabo too was with her sweetheart. And everybody, when it's time to do mommy and daddy for Prissy, they both came together to do mommy and daddy. Nobody, the other people, àwọn ìyàwó àtọkọ wọn, wọ́n jókòó sáyé wọn, wọ́n ò ṣe oversabi. I think there's no maturity more than that. Exchanging of greeting is asheju see work. What about both of them sitting together and where? I beg, it's not possible. So your husband will wear, your husband and your baby father too will wear. You people just want me to laugh. I love you people. It's not possible. It's not possible. The maturity there is that the baby father will stay. And if possible, if they both wear the same ashwabi, let's even joke. Maybe because Iyabo is not legally married to waiting be name Polo, but if he was a Yoruba guy, even though Polo didn't dress too much, you know, on a normal he's supposed to wear Igbo regalia, but he didn't. Polo just dressed like, hey, yo, what's up, man? You know, he just did Millennium Guy for us. He didn't wear in song and everything. But if he wanted to wear Agbada, he would have. But I don't think, assuming he was married like to Yabo, he would have. But not the same thing. Not the same thing with Baba Kinyo. No, let's not say. You people are being. Am I being taking it personal? It depends on the individual. This is not a matter of maturity. Didn't you see when Baba Prissy was praying Yabo? See his face. Don't mind them. Baba Prissy, that thing that happened, that this Yinkaso, no, maturity is maturity. But this maturity is not maturity for me. I'm saying me, this is personal thing. It is not about me being matured. I, for one, I do not support that. Does not mean that I have anything in my mind. I just feel that now their own life with that too. It might be wow. And it can never trend. It can never trend. Take it or you leave it. It can never trend. Let me tell you the truth. Do you think that the family of that guy, of that guy that did that thing, if it's not the type that is in the movie industry, they will be, they know they're always abusing actresses that they will be saying that she's still sleeping or she's having something to do with Ibrahim Chatta. Oh, let's be sincere. So after the man to one hug, people, they will be insinuate, even though we know it may not be so, but you know it's possible that hugging can ignite anything. How will you feel? Same, how will you, as your own brother now, married to me, then you see that scene, you see that, how will you feel? You will talk. You are running away from the Okafor store. What is the Okafor store? I don't know it. I don't know which one is Okafor store. Tell me, that is Nigerian law. I don't know it. Can you type it for us? Maybe you are a lawyer. Which one is Okafor store? I don't know it. I don't know if maybe she is still having something to do with Chatta once they be new. That is how you, as a sibling to your brother now that is married to her, will feel. You will feel like that. But you know, the reason why some people don't do stuff like that is so that they don't bring up dirty minds. We just think like that. And it's natural for anybody to think like that because they have once been intimate. You know, they were once maybe not married, but they were living together as a couple. Do you get? That's not maturity to me. To you people, but to me, I don't like it, and I don't want my husband and myself to try that. We don't want that, because it will brew something that you people don't think that, it's a movie. Okafor's Law is a movie. I don't know the movie. Where did it happen? The husband spray Ibrahim, say, if you no leave my beautiful one, how I won't marry him. He's showing appreciation here. I hope so. You know which kind of appreciation is that? It's just like my husband going to spray my baby mom. and then he will too, they will now be talking to each other and say, ọ̀rọ̀ ṣìwò ni wọ́n fẹ́ máa sọ, ọ̀rọ̀ játijàti wo ni wọ́n fẹ́ máa sọ. I will not even support that my husband be friendly with my baby father. I say baby father, go baby father, baby àbí kí ni wọ́n máa ń pa àwọn ọkùnrin, baby mama ni mo mọ̀, baby father àbí baby father baby. Yeah, well, you people know what I mean. I wouldn't support it. Do you know that some baby father or baby mama, if they creep in again to your partner, it may destroy your relationship? If they creep in, àwọn baby father ìsọnù, baby mama father tó bá lọ creep in, tí wọ́n lọ tún nǹkan tútùkútù kan sí ọkọ ẹ létí àbí sí ìyàwó ẹ létí, bí ilé ẹ ṣe tún, ilé tó tún jàjà ni máa scatter, baby daddy whatever they call themselves. So you don't need to encourage too much of familiarity. For me, I'm talking, it's once they be always the hair. But that's what you people will say. What if they are not even having anything? But that scenario will brew such things. People will start to have dirty mind, and it's only natural because gbogbo wa lọ́kàn wa dọ̀tí. It's only natural. You can imagine your husband hugging his baby mama. How will you feel? Say the truth and let Satan enter the ground now and slap himself. Yeah, don't disgrace myself again. Say the truth. How will you feel if you see your husband hugging his baby mama? I don't like it. And so if you can't take it, don't give it. Don't serve it. What you can't take, don't serve it. Let's quickly go back to Iyabo. I say Iyabo. This lady. So I don't Although it's part of gist too, but I didn't do it at all. You shouldn't do it near us, so we don't like it. I didn't support it too. I know some of you are enjoying it because it's the women, it's we. If it's the other way around now, I hope you people will take it. What if one day now, maybe the guy too has a girlfriend, ex-girlfriend, and that happens? I hope you people will be able to take it. Hope, So what is good for the goose? So if you know that you can't take it, don't allow your husband do it. If it's me, I will tell him, why are you paying him money? And it's there and there I will say it in his ears. I won't say it out. And my body chemistry will show I'm not supporting this rata krakati. I will wear that face that Baba Priscilla wore in that wedding. Yeah, this one I'm saying pass me. That's the thing I will wear. That's the face I will wear. If I'm put in that situation. Like Baba Priscilla, throughout his bro was like this. I hope he has gone for face massage so that they can do wrinkles off his forehead. Tani Weri. Tani, who is this Weri? You they put mouth for people matter. Now if they come for you now, you will be shouting that they should not talk about your own family. Get away, Ashunu. Which useless people come for you? Which olori buruku people come for you? Oluwa Sheun, Odu shit. That you come for me, let me tell God. Which useless people come for you? Ashunu, idiots. Àwọn ọmọ àlè jati yoboro yobonsin. Which useless people are coming for you? Ẹlẹ́yà òṣì, àwọn tó yẹ kó wá kọ́gbọ́n ní bíbá ìka kọ́ wọn bí ilé ayé ṣe yẹ kó rí. A jókòó sínú ilé wọn, wọ́n máa ṣòṣì. Aṣòṣì máa mọ̀, olórí burúkú ẹ̀dá. Which useless people come for you? This yeye body too. Yes, nah. My body also. Mojowuku. Mojowo. I don't like. Which useless people come for you? That's how they will be going up and down looking for trouble. If you want to watch my chat, sit down. Let me educate you. Let me train you. Kí wọ́n náà lè rí ilé ayé gbé. Olóṣì, ọmọ òṣì jati. Come for me. Kẹ́ wá wo bí kẹ́ wo pente en wá fún náà ṣe bá yé yín bàjẹ́. Àbí got you see àwọn gang yín tẹ́ máa ṣe búburú káàkiri. Ó rí pé ayé gbogbo yín ti bàjẹ́ ni. Àbí ó rí pé àwọn kòbókò kan náà yín láti ibì kan ẹ̀dẹ̀ mọ́ bí tó ti ń wá. Èmi ni na mo wà nídìí ọ̀rọ̀ yín. Na mi dey do na. Olóṣì, ó ní wọ́n wá fún ìyálà ya ẹ̀. as I was saying, let us continue. I'm sorry. So let's go back to Biola. So as for that case, me like it. Me, I don't like it. If you people like it, do it. You better get out of here. You better koshi e kuro mbiba. Koshi ori buruku e kuro mbiba. You better get out of here. Ko bo se nse e kuro ni sakni ori page. Kó lọ bá àwọn tó ti ba ayé ẹ jẹ́ tí wọ́n ní kó máa ṣì kọ káàkiri. Kó lọ forí ẹ gbé jábìn tó kú, kó lọ kú sínú ilé ẹ. Kó ṣì ẹ kúrò ńbí. Wọ́n mú àlè játijàti. Abiliation now. Tó tọ́ ni, ó fẹ́ jẹ kòbókò ni. Ó fẹ́ jẹ kòbókò ni torí what are we doing here tó kọjá nǹkan tí gbogbo èèyàn máa ń ṣe lọ. Olóṣì ni wọ́n ní wọ́n mind the business wo ni wèrè ẹgbẹ́ sí online tó ní wọ́n come fún family mi kí ayé gbogbo àwọn family ẹ bàjẹ́. Come. Ó bí àwọn tó kú ẹ tó ṣe lọ́jọ́ kìíní àná. Wọ́n mọ bí táyé ẹ wọ́n kù sí. Èmi ni mo wà ń di ọ̀rọ̀ wọn. Olórí burúkú ọmọ òṣì, oní sunglass lójú. Aṣiwèrè ọmọ. Àṣìgbé ọmọ wọ́ọ̀dì. Ó yá jẹ́ a padà sí ọ̀rọ̀ Biola. You miss so Linda. You miss so Linda. You miss so. Let me go back to Biola. So Biola then said, to everyone that feels disappointed, I'm sincerely sorry. Anyway, I understand that because they are celebrity, they expect that a lot of people look up to them and then they always want to be sorry. But to me, I don't think she needs to be sorry. Because òun ló mọ ibi tí bàtà tí ń ta òun dẹ̀ ló débẹ̀. Kì í ṣe gbogbo wa ni marriage máa gbé. Ó máa gbé ẹlòmíì, kò dẹ̀ ní gbé ẹlòmíì. If you want to block, please. Ẹ wo wèrè tó wá sí page mi. Ẹ wo makeup olóṣì tó gbé sójú. Ó jọ òwìwí. Ẹ wo wèrè, ẹ wo ọmọ àlè játijàti. Ẹ wo wèrè ọmọ tí filter ti ba ayé ẹ jẹ́ tó wá sí page èèyàn. Kò mọ nǹkan tá à ń sọ lórí burúkú ọmọ òṣì. Ẹ wo makeup òṣì tí wọ́n ṣe fún makeup 12,000 naira tó ṣe sójú tó ń lọ kiri. Ẹ wojú ẹ. Àjẹ́. Eléyìí ń ṣàjẹ́ gidi, àjẹ́ tó ti lélẹ̀ ni. Ẹ wo eyelashes sí 100 naira tí wọ́n gbé sí ló jẹ́ wú wèrè. Ẹ má bínú jàre. Àwọn òṣì yẹn ni. Wọ́n máa lọ kiri, wọ́n máa forí wọn gba ìpè káàkiri. Eléyìí náà sí ó ti wà lára ẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn, ó ti kàn. Ó ti bá yín sí. Ó ní kó lọ gba ìtókù ń bí. Ó dẹ̀ ti ṣe wà rí bó ṣe máa rí fún ọmọ òṣì. As I was saying, jẹ́ padà lọ sí ọ̀dọ̀ Biola. Biola má bínú. Jẹ́jẹ́ mi ni mo jókòó. Don't come and look for my trouble. Just let me be doing my thing. We have millions of people doing chat on social media. When you turn into a channel, tune in, and you don't like the person, F off. Don't drop anything that will make you go jabbing. Orí agbe èpè, wá forí gbé èpè lọ́lé. She resembles fish seller for my time. Hello. If you see her eyelashes, it's son ọmọ òṣì. Ọmọ òṣì ó kàn wá da sansan sí ọ̀rọ̀ tá à ń sọ tó ń dùn mọ́ wa tá à ń rẹ́rìn. Tá bá tèèyàn jẹ́, tá look for trouble, tá make sense, tá dẹ̀ kọ́gbọ́n. At least in this what I've talked about that, haven't you learned now that alára gbogbo náà ni eléyìí tiẹ̀ o. Ayàtọ̀. Eléyìí mi ò fẹ́, eléyìí mo fẹ́. Some of you are even saying no, you like it, you want it that way. I say me, I don't want. Wèrè débi ó ní à ń sọ̀rọ̀, à ń ṣe kinní kan ọmọ òṣì. Ọmọ tó yẹ kó ti fi ṣe menstruation. Àwọn àbí ìpa ọmọ. Wọ́n sense and ingredient ọmọ játijàti. Look at my friend. You see my friend Anike, idiot. She's the one that we went to Jogarile, my childhood friend. That is nursery 3. Anike Kazim láti nursery 3 láti bẹ̀rẹ̀ láti lọ sí láti jíjọ wà pọ̀ nursery 3 till date ọ̀rẹ́ mi láti kékeré ni. Hello darling, báwo ni ọ̀rẹ́ mi, ṣàlàáfíà ni, ṣé gbogbo ẹ̀ ń ṣe jump job ó mo ń ṣe chat lọ́wọ́ eyelashes like mo ń ṣe chat lọ́wọ́ ìdá báwo ni a kú palẹ̀mọ́ ọdún àbáwá láyọ̀ àtàlàáfíà àbáwọ̀ báwo ni everybody, how is everybody, ṣé gbogbo ẹ̀ ń ṣe jump job ó ṣé ọ̀rẹ́ mi, thanks for tuning in, God bless you. So coach, it's not the doing of anybody. Orí bákan fún in her marriage today. I will never join people. If marriage doesn't work for somebody, I will not castigate you. I'm sorry, please. Ẹ má bínú sí mi. Mo ete bá búyàn pé ẹni ó ṣe nǹkan kan lọ́wọ́ nǹkan náà. Kì í ṣe lórí pé bóyá ó train ọmọ kò rí ṣe. I can't blame. Ọlọ́run ló ní gbogbo dédé yẹn. Ó wà ní marriage yẹn àwa tá wà nú ẹ̀ gan kì í ṣe mímọ̀ ṣe wa. Ọlá Ọlọ́run ni. Kò dẹ̀ sẹ́ni tó mọ̀la. Ẹni tó dàrú fún in marriage, that the marriage breaks up today does not mean your grandson is saying thank you, baby me. How are you, son? Just in your chicken. Oh yeah, give grandma chicken. I put it in my mouth. Hello, baby. Amen. You see, in everything, kasha ma dupe, ayọpẹlọ. Because elomiwa that you may marry today, that place may not soin. Kò dẹ̀ pé Ọlọ́run ti kọ pé ó sì fẹ́ ní kejì, you won't have a lasting marriage. Bẹ́ẹ̀ dẹ̀ rèé, some people they are saying that they will not have kò sí bùjókòó, ó máa bímọ, wá dẹ̀ dá ṣe ìtókù ayé wọn. The most important thing ni pé Father Lord kó má jẹ́ kí èèyàn gbé gungo elégungun ètò máa pààyàn because you want to stay in marriage. You sabi abuse person well. Who I abuse here now? Oluyemisi, who I abuse here now? Only they talk about us now. Yeah, you want me to feel bad? I just really wish Biola all the best. No, I don't want to think of it that she's the one at fault or the husband is at fault. But I know with what she has written here, it seems as if Bobo and Lolo. Where you will get it more, let me read it. Please keep us in your prayers. While I go about making other people happy in the day, my pillow is drenched with my own tears almost every night for the past 14 months. Ibẹ̀yẹn ni mo ti mọ̀ pé Bobo yẹn ni. Nǹkan tó wá ṣẹlẹ̀ gangan, she's not telling us, and I don't think it's important we know. Are you getting me? But you can guess. You can guess. Wallahi, you can guess. You understand? And she then said, for the past 14 months, but I gained strength from Christ, who loves me eternally and gave himself for me. If you are the one walking out on a marriage, you won't be the one crying. Anything or walk out in marriage, if you are the one walking out, you won't be the one crying. Anything will feel in marriage, no mama K. Do I make sense? Do you understand what I mean? Is my explanation okay? Red looks so good on you. Yeah. Oh, thank you, Jenny, baby. How are you, Jennifer? Do you get what I mean? So read it and you will understand. Pray for her. And if it is that she's the one walking out, she won't be praising the guy. If she's the one walking out, she won't be praising the guy. Yes, she won't be praising the guy. It's the guy that's opted out for reasons best known to them. Àwọn ló mọ̀. But like she rightly said, she has tried maybe it only work if there will be reconciliation, wobo. But Tobaya, Ifini, Omatu Sita. So it's good that she told you people. And she's also, you are right, ma. I never thought of that. Yes, that is the truth. Read it. When people write stuff, especially expressing stuff, or when they talk, if you calm down and you know how to discern the spirit, and also Omo Agba, she tried her best, but she gave herself out in the write-up. You just need to calm down to read. You will understand the whole thing a bit, and be able to know that this is the person to opt out, this is the person to do. And so in the end of it, what really matters is her life and her son and their son and our prayers. She's going to be fine. She seemed like a lady that knows what she wants, but at the same time it can be draining if things aren't working the way you want. Because I remember that wedding, I think it was Tope Alabi that sang during the wedding. I think Abi, I may be wrong, but I think I remember it was Tope Alabi that sang during the wedding. It doesn't stop people from still buying Asoebi wedding. That's the only thing I want to be buying. Asoebi wedding, not birthday, not all those things. No, I've passed that age where I will be buying Asoebi birthday. If it's birthday that is maybe 55, 60, 70, 80, okay. But not every year birthday. You are just doing birthday today. You just call us every year. You will be buying Asoebi. I won't answer you. Now, where am I going to? Where am I coming from? Yeah. In this case, for children, people weddings, some people are discouraged that they will buy wedding Asoebi, and the next thing, there's divorce. Wedding not the last 2 years. More wedding to my last. Àdúrà náà ni pa wedding. When we are getting married, they will tell us till death do us part. For better, for worse, gbogbo. Ìyá gbọ́, bàbá gbọ́, they will pray. But do you know what? Even pastors that fast 40 days, 40 nights before their wedding, I want to split up. I want to split up, my dear ones. I want to split up. So it's not the doing of man. It is the Lord's doing. Ọlọ́run nìkan ni. Yeah, I walk out and I cry almost 2 to 3 years because Biola is one of the decent ones in the industry. May God be with her and her son. Amen. Ariola Lawal says. So, you see,